Have you ever heard about the advantages of raisin water? It's wonderful and a great addition to your diet, especially for encouraging good liver health. We often recommend simple and natural remedies to detox and strengthen your liver, and today we would like to talk about one in particular that is guaranteed to give you awesome results. So what's the big secret behind raisin water? It activates particular biochemical processes in the liver that help it detox your bloodstream more efficiently. The benefits of raisin water for the most part come from the grapes themselves, which you may already know about. If you follow this treatment for 4 days straight, you'll notice your digestion gets better and you have a lot more energy. Would you actually miss out on this opportunity? Do you know what the benefits of raisin water are? Doctors often suggest that you eat raisins in the morning to take better care of your heart, eliminate bad cholesterol, lower your triglyceride levels, and prevent constipation or an upset stomach. Raisins are a natural source of vitamins and minerals, but those benefits are increased immensely if you drink the water that they are soaked in. This is due to the fact that the sugar content is reduced, and you're still getting an excellent medicinal remedy for the liver. Let me explain. A natural source of antioxidants. It's important to remember that raisins are one of the greatest natural sources for antioxidants. All you need to keep in mind is that they're just dried grapes, which are a fruit that's rich in bioflavonoids that help protect you from free radicals and strengthen your defenses against disease. Raisins and raisin water have been traditionally used to prevent the development of various heart and liver diseases. It's worth keeping in mind. Helps detox the body. As you're already aware, both the liver and the kidneys are essential organs that cleanse your blood, removing the toxins and heavy metals that build up in the body and can eventually make you sick. But sometimes these principal functions are inhibited by poor dietary choices, eating too many fatty foods, or bad day-to-day habits. Drinking raisin water for 4 days consistently at least once a month will assist your liver better perform its functions, particularly when it comes to detox, and you'll become aware of its benefits during those times that you feel heavy or notice that your digestion is slow or painful. Aids in digestion. Drinking raisin water is a simple but effectual method to purify the bloodstream and stimulate good liver function, and it also improves your digestion. It promotes the separation of stomach acids, helping you process your food more efficiently and absorb the nutrients. You'll start to notice these benefits around 2 days after starting your raisin water regimen. How do you make raisin water? 2 cups of water, 400 milliliters. 150 grams of raisins. Preparation. First of all, we suggest that you choose your raisins carefully. Ignore the very bright, shiny ones, because their gloss is not a natural one and is actually the result of chemical treatments that are applied to make them appear more attractive. Search for raisins that are darker in color, and neither too hard nor too soft. Choose whole raisins, and be sure they're also clean. Wash the raisins, then set them aside. Heat the 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the raisins to the water and allow them to simmer for 20 minutes. It's simple. But this isn't all you need to do, as the raisins must continue to soak in this water overnight. The next morning, just strain off the water from the raisins and heat some of that tasty water back up. You can drink it warm or hot, however you prefer, but it's very important that you drink it on an empty stomach right after waking up. Then wait 30 to 35 minutes before eating breakfast. Ideally you'll do this for several days continuously in a row, and at night leave everything prepared to drink your raisin water as soon as you wake up the next morning. Remember to follow this regimen for 4 days, at the very least. Always choose the darkest raisins in color, and be sure they haven't gone through any processing that could be detrimental to your health. Purchase organic raisins or get them from natural stores where you are sure they haven't been grown or treated with chemicals and pesticides. You can use this treatment once a month, and it has 0 side effects. What's most amusing is that you avoid the high sugar intake that is usually found in raisins. If you also follow a diet that's low in fat and includes plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, you'll promote better liver health overall, and raisin water makes an excellent addition to your routine. Make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.